Okay, this episode is my part 2 on the COVID-19 virus. In the first episode, I talked about using even simple dust masks. I would put 2 of them on. These, it's better than nothing. You know, if you have a painter's mask, a dust mask, anything, and then just cutting a t-shirt or a shirt to make a bandana. You could put the bandana on first and then your mask. And that's recommended if you go into any public places. If it's shopping for food, going to the post office, whatever. The pandemic is still spreading. Like I say, this is April 9th, 2020. And they're telling people stay inside, you know, for at least another 2 weeks. But right now, things are still spreading, and more people are getting very sick with this virus. Just 2 days ago, there was a major report that came out, so I want to show you that. This was put out by the National Institute of Health, the Center for Disease Control, also called the CDC, UCLA, and the Princeton University Medical Labs. And it's an excellent report. It just came out a couple days ago, so I want to share it with all of you. It's very important about the coronavirus. If an infected person coughs or touches an object in a store or whatever, it's telling you the type of materials, how long the COVID-19 will stay alive. And it was very surprising to me. Plastic surfaces, you know, if it's cutting boards, shampoo bottles, kitchen utensils made out of plastic, 3 days this COVID-19 virus will survive. Also, stainless steel appliances in your home or wherever, same thing, 3 days. You know, if you have a stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher handle, stainless steel cookware, the COVID-19 will survive for 3 days. So that's not encouraging. That's probably why this is spreading so fast. Also, your paper products, they did tests on those, and the COVID-19 virus is surviving for up to 1 day. Cardboard, paper towels, toilet paper rolls, etc. 1 day. So if you're going shopping, you're bringing these products back, many people are saying leave them out in the UV, you know, out in the sun for 2 or 3 days. Your plastic containers or whatever, cardboard boxes and such. Also, there's been a lot of issues with this World Health Organization, WHO. They were claiming, and now the president's really mad at them, and he might stop sending them money because they held back on the infections in China. There seems to be something going on there with China and this World Health Organization. So don't trust anything they're saying. They were telling people only respiratory droplets, like if somebody infected sneezed on you, you know, that was the only way you could get it. And this report, you know, like I say, it's by the top places in the USA. National Institute of Health, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and the labs, medical labs at UCLA and Princeton University did this study. They're finding that the World Health Organization was incorrect in what they were telling people. They're actually finding it can stay suspended in the air for up to 3 hours. So if an infected person happened to go in, you know, into the post office before you, a couple hours before you, or in the store you're shopping at, you can still get it. It survives in the air. It doesn't have to be a droplet, you know, from an infected person landing on you, you know, from them sneezing or whatever. So, you know, and people are asymptomatic for up to 5 days typically when they get the COVID. So you might not notice that they're sick. They're not showing a fever yet. They're not coughing, that dry cough, which is basically your lungs. The virus gets into your lungs. You know, it basically suffocates you. And that's why you start having these dry coughs. So anyway, you know, I wish it was better news, but I think everyone should know this latest report by the National Institute of Health, the Center for Disease Control, and some of our top university medical labs. So that's my latest update on the COVID-19. And so that's about it. And let's pray to God that this COVID-19 can be contained. People, stay inside as much as you can. You're not going to catch it being out, you know, walking around your house or anything. But in contained areas, stores, post offices, and stuff like that, it is staying airborne for up to 3 hours. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful to you. And this is Eagle Eric out in the deserts of Arizona, signing off.